Hi, my name is Nimai. I'm from Mexico, and we have very happy time here in Greens Ayurveda. Each year, we come with a group. We have a Ayurvedic school there in Mexico. So each year we're coming. This is our like a 4 year coming here to Kerala to enjoy the Ayurvedic experience in the most pure and clear way, here to learning, to doing treatment and everything. Of course, like everybody know, we have like a 2.5 years, complete years with the pandemic. So the last time that we come is in 2019. So now in 2020, we are coming back and we are so happy because everything is not just like the same, everything is also better than the last time that we come. So having this experience here in Greens Ayurveda, if you really wanna have a serious treatment, have a healthy treatment, a very specific treatment for you, this is the place for you, because always the Ayurveda give the tools for give very good healing to everybody. So like each year we are coming now, it's very safe, it's very healthy, and we are so happy. We're very glad also with Dr. Asgard, the chief doctor here, to doing all the arrangements possible so we can be very comfortable way. So I invite everybody to come here to Greens Ayurveda and enjoy the wonderful experience to healing your mind, your body, and your soul in Greens Ayurveda. Thank you very much.